Okay. Question. Hello. Two. Okay. Write a question. In a circular table. In a circular table, write a question. In a circular table, cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle middle as shown in figure. Find the area of design. Find the area of design. Okay? Figure is please see the figure. This is a circular tablecloth. Suppose this is a tablecloth. Inside the tablecloth, one equilateral triangle is formed. Then this is an equilateral triangle A, B, C, and this one is designed. Rishabh, Anjali, Pragya, okay. What is clear now? Okay, write down the question first. Completed. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now, in a circular table, cover of radius 32. Radius center is this. Center is O. OA is 32. And this one is D. OD. OD will be half of OA. Listen to this property. Equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, median means a line who attach from vertex to opposite side divides फ्रॉम ईच वर्टेक्स इज टू 2:1 के रेशियो में, 2:1 सेंटर से और वर्टेक्स की डबल होगा और वहां से कॉर्ड पर उसका हाफ होगा। मतलब रेडियस हो जाए यहाँ पर 32 और ये हो जाएगा 16। इट विल बी अ perpendicular distance of right equilateral triangle. It will be perpendicular distance of right angle triangle. Okay, then from leaving an equilateral triangle ABC, middle shown, find the area of design. Now we know what is the radius is given. If we can find the area of equilateral triangle, then we will subtract area of triangle from circle. Then we get shaded region or design. Then in triangle ADB, in triangle let each side of triangle ABCD X. Each triangle of each and side of triangle ABCD X. Right. Now in triangle ABD. Now in triangle ABD. Now in triangle ABD. अब देखो AB स्क्वायर इक्वल टू राइट एंगल की सामने वाला हाइपोटेनस बनता है AB स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AD स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर। नाउ each side of equilateral triangle is x, then BD will be half of x, so BD will be x by 2, then x square equal to AD 48 square plus x by 2 whole square, then x square 48. What is the square of 48? 2304 plus x square by 4, x square minus x square by 4. Now for LCM, 4x square minus x square 2304, 3x square equal to into 4, then can 3 7 ja 21, 2, 3 6 ja 8 into 4, 3 8 ja 24, 768 into 4, 768 किसका होता है स्क्वायर? परफेक्ट नहीं आएगा। कितना? 16 रूट 12। ये किस किसी का परफेक्ट नहीं बन रहा है? नहीं ना, प्रोडक्ट इसका तो 2 मिल जाएगा, तो 2 तो डायरेक्ट हम कर लेंगे। तो कितना है देख लीजिए, 768 2 4 then 8 टाइम्स में जाएगा 7 7 टाइम्स कितना है? ना ना, इसका कितना निकल रहा है? हाँ, क्या बोले आप?
इसका तो 2 हो जाएगा, इसका 13 इसका
55.4 टोटल का।
यस टोटल का।
अच्छा, कितना होगा? $31, right?
3072
Then how much? 54 point? 55 point how much?
3.
Okay, maybe 55.4 approx. X equal to this much, right? X is this. Now therefore write down first area of design equal to area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle. May I rub the board?
Yes.
Hello? Other, not only you. Okay, now just I am going to rub the board. Now area of design equal to
area of circle minus area of triangle.
area of design equals to area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle pi r square minus 3 by 4 into side square, then 22 by 7 into
32 into
32 into 32 minus 3 by 4। और अगर इसको हम स्क्वायर ही के फॉर्म में रहने दें तो यहाँ इसका यूज कर लेंगे, राइट? अगर इसको स्क्वायर ही के फॉर्म में छोड़ दें तो इसी को हम लिख देंगे। अब देखिए, इसको सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए।
तो रूट तो डालना पड़ेगा, रूट डालना पड़ेगा।
वहाँ पे रूट डालेगा ना, साइड स्क्वायर
रूट डालना पड़ेगा।
नहीं ना, अगर स्क्वायर है तो स्क्वायर के जगह पर ना साइड स्क्वायर, तो साइड स्क्वायर मतलब एक्स स्क्वायर, एक्स स्क्वायर के जगह पर ये रख दिए।
स्क्वायर नहीं है,
रूट और इसका डिस्कार्ड कट जाएगा।
क्या
सही है।
ठीक है? अब चलिए, अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए। 7 जा 28, 27 तो कितने में जाएगा?
तो इसका है 3218.28।
अब इसको इंटू कीजिए।
सर 3218.28
3 2
8 321118.8
माइनस √3 का वैल्यू
1.73
1.73 into 768 इंटू कीजिए 1.73 into 768 1328.2 हेलो। अब माइनस कीजिए, क्या आएगा?
सर 1328.64
1328.64
सर वो
3218.28 138.2 08 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। अब डेसिमल के बाद कुछ वेरिएशन में बी पॉसिबल, राइट? राइट। हाँ, जान लीजिए, हम लोग को जितना सिंपलेस्ट से सिंपल फॉर्म में आंसर ला देना है, वो रूटीन में छोड़ के हम देखें।
सर रूट में रख सकते हैं।
ठीक है,
रूट में रख सकते हैं।
बोर्ड क्लियर है? और ऋषभ को ब्लर आ रहा है, फिर शुरू हो गए
आंसर आ गया
हैं? ओके, यू विल जस्ट Are you not a girl? Anyone tell me both is clear or not? Hello. Both. Someone is telling both is clear, someone is not.
कल था सर कल टेक्निकल इशू था तो
Okay. Now,
अरे उससे तो दिखेगा, वो दिख रहा है क्या नहीं?
okay. Now next question. Next question is right. Next question in figure. In figure, ABCD is a square. In figure, ABCD is a square. Here another question in figure. A, B, C, D is a square of side 14 centimeter with center
ABCD.
with center A, comma B, comma C and D. Four circles are drawn. Four circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally. Each circle touches externally two of the remaining three circles. Remaining three circles. Find the area of shaded region. Okay. Find the area of shaded region. Figure is ABCD is a square and point A, comma B, C and D are the center of four circles which touch externally This is the very good. This is the shaded region, right? This is the shaded region. Now we know that each angle of a square is 90 degree, which will be the central line we can say, which will be the theta we can say, and there are four quadrants. When we will combine four quadrants each other, it becomes a circle, right? When we will combine, then area of shaded region equal to area of a square minus area of four quadrants. Now listen, side of a square is 14 centimeter. Half will be, then radius will be 7 centimeter or meter, whatever, centimeter. Okay. Now area of a square minus area of four quadrants. Equal to side, that is side square 1/4 into pi r square into pi r square. 4 cancel. Side is 14 minus 22/7. 7 into 7. 7 cancel. 196 minus 154. That is equal to 2, 4, 42 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region.
सर वहाँ पे लिखा तो नहीं है सर कि रेडियस सबका सेम ही होगा.
Very good. Well done. In question, anyone can tell me how we can choose radius as a 7 centimeter? Why not 8? Why not 4? Listen, remember, 4 circles touches externally equally. 4 circles touches externally equally, so it will be also be equal circle. If equal circle center is vertex of a square, so distance between these are considered as radius or length will be a diameter. If you want that, you can judge it also. Hello? Write down. Write down. लिख लिए. हेलो. तो ऋषभ गया घूमने. अब नहीं बोल. ओके, may I rub the board? Okay. Now, okay, write next question. And question is that in figure deficit a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. Listen. I think you know about Neeraj Chopra.
Yes, sir.
Athlete. Now I am going to
Athlete.
very good perform a track.
ऐसा ट्रैक नहीं कर रहा.
Please. Now from this end this is a circular. And from this portion this is a circular. Now same thing is that from this one is circular and this one is also. This is a track. Width of track is 10 meters, which is given. Width of track, that is this distance, is 10 meters everywhere. 10 meter width is everywhere of the track. Now distance between inner line segment is 60 meter. Inner line segment is 60 meter. And a straight line distance is how much? 106 meter. Suppose this line is 106, it will also be 106. It will also be 106 meter. Right? Okay?
The last grade आपका है.
Okay. Now after that, write a question. You will prepare yourself. This will be homework for you. The distance between the two inner parallel line segment is 60 meter, and they are each 106 meter long. If track is 10 meter wide, find number 1, the distance around the track along this inner edge. And the area of the track. Second, the area of the track. Write down. Okay? Write down. Okay. This question is for... Yes? Yes? Any doubt? Any doubt? Then you will do this question.